Hey guys, welcome to OMG. So today we'll be seeing how to earn money with Pinterest. Pinterest is a huge platform where millions of users are there online daily. So it's a great way to start earning passively from Pinterest. So in this video I'll be showing you how to earn money from Pinterest. Even students can opt these ideas and start earning money passively. So without much dragging, we'll start off with the video, and the first website we are going to see is Affiliate Paying, which is affpaying.com. In my last video I would have stated about this one. This is a really great website where you'll be getting a lot of CPA networks link. So here AffPaying is not actually a CPA network by itself, but it will be showing you a lot of websites where they offer affiliate program. So clicking on to one of these, you will be redirected to affiliate program websites. In this video I'll be showing you MyLead, which I already have an account and I have few affiliate program link. So here can you see they have really huge affiliate programs like Max Bounty and other websites advertised here. So it's up to you, you can choose anything from here. They each and every affiliate program will be offering different content and different offers, so it's up to you to choose, but I'm choosing MyLead. Now here I have already have an account in this. I'm just showing you what are all the terms they have and what are all certain rules and other features they have. That's what I'm going to show you now before starting off. So I'm there in my MyLead learn more page, where they'll be showing me how to start off with it. So yeah, here they have shown you how the lead conversion is there and what all the percentage means and what is an affiliate, what is an advertiser. They have shown all the brief statements about each thing. So they have also, see, can you see from the page that they have already shown partner program, what is it, and what is a sales landing page. So I should have already introduced you to funnel pages in my Instagram video. If you haven't seen that, I'll be showing it in the you will be able to click through the cards in the above. I think it will be popping out now, or in the description box below. I'll be leaving it to my Instagram video, like how to earn money from Instagram. So here can you see create a profile. You have to start right away from bidding from each product. So in this website it is moreover like create profile. After finishing it, go to dashboard, go to get links, and you'll be bidding to each program separately. Like each product you have to state them how you are going to drive traffic, and you have to also include your traffic networks. Traffic networks are the sources where you are going to get your traffic from. So I have already included it and I have already set up all those things, and I have few affiliate links from this website. So after including your traffic sources, you have to apply for the products individually. Before applying, you have to check their information. You have to check whether the country you are there is acceptable. Like they have certain products will have country restriction, like geographic location restrictions. So check with that and apply, or your application will be rejected. So these are all different type of CPA models, like PPI, CPL, CPS, and PPC. There are a lot more, so you can read from the from this page. When you are signing in through, they will be showing you all of these things. It will be really useful, so make sure you read all these things before you start with it. So I'm more concentrating for CPS, which is like cost per sale. You have to make a sale in order to get that commission. And there is another one more thing is like PPI, pay per installation, which is more for software and app kind of thing, where you'll be making your traffic to install those software or app in their system or mobile phone. So it is depending on that. I'm not going to promote all those things because my niche is not there. I haven't created a niche on that, so I haven't done through it. But if your niche is in software or other technical things, you can try those things. There are many softwares and apps affiliate programs available in this. So click on to go further and you will be reaching your dashboard. Read more about models will lead you to this page itself, where you have to click on through each and every read more, and you have to read it before going. But for now I'm just going to click on for go further. See, this is how everything will be listed out in detail, so make sure you learn everything. In this video I'll be showing you how to get your sales start in the Pinterest. I really love Pinterest a lot because I will be using Pinterest for more of my work, and it's more about visual stuff, so people will be attracted to Pinterest. It is no doubt that you will be without any traffic, without any viewers, so make your content really great, really attractive to make people coming in. Create your profile more professional so that people will trust you. Trust is really important in this business, so make sure you provide and search for content and affiliate programs related to your niche only. So for now I have already shown that I have created one page, Instagram page, related to weight loss. I think the name of that one is Weight Loss Central. So I'm searching for affiliate programs related to that health and beauty niche. See, they already into that categories, you will be seeing lot of programs. They'll be showing those percentage of commission you'll be getting. Read everything, guys, that is really important. You have to read, and what all countries they are accepting those affiliate applications. So you have to read everything before clicking onto the join button. If you are okay with the instructions and their method and products, you can just click on to join and start applying for it. But before going further, if you haven't subscribed yet to the channel, please subscribe and click on the bell notification so that you won't miss any update from our channel. Now after clicking join, you will be redirected to this page where you have to click on to the URL. These are all available things when you get that offer: banners, API links, deep links. You'll be getting all those stuff when your application is approved. So before approving, you have to click for apply. Click on that URL so that you will be redirected to application. So this is one of my product that I'm going to do it now. So I have already created a short link with Bitly. I'll be pasting that in the Pinterest. So create pin, click on creating pin, paste that link and upload an image. I have already made one image previously related to weight loss. See, I'm uploading that image. Easy weight loss ideas. When people click on to this image, they will be redirected to the sales page of the product that I'm going to affiliate and promote for. So I'm just typing out the title: find ways to reduce weight with millions of ideas, and I'll be giving the description as click on the link attached with this image so that you will be knowing all the ideas. So you have to make some catchy titles, not like this. I'm just a moderate affiliate promoting person, so please don't consider this one. Make an attractive image and make an attractive title, give some description and allow the link attached with this image and post it. It is really easy that you will be discovered by someone. It is really millions of users are there, so you won't be left out with even zero. Like, I can't say that, like you'll be getting a lot of traffic from this. You won't left out with zero views, never. It will happen. So just try it out. If you want to publish it later, you can click on to that. I'm just publishing it now. I'm just doing it with my online money goals profile. So this is not my profile to do this, but I'm just doing it for video purpose, but I'll be changing it. I don't want to show the product which I'm going to promote for, because I don't want to promote that in my YouTube, in this YouTube channel. So yeah, after clicking on to publish, the post will be published now. This is just taking a bit of time. After publishing, whenever a viewer clicks on to the image, they will be redirected to the product page. There are chances that they will buy. For me, it is like if 100 views I get, I will make at least 2 or 3 sales. That is what is my percentage till now. So yeah, there is a great chance that you will lead to sales. This is really passive. Isn't it great that after doing a bit of work you will start earning sales for the work that you have done about 6 months ago? So I think this is a great way to earn money, so you have to start with it. Can you see my image is redirecting to the sales page of the product I'm promoting for? Can you see that? So this is how you'll be promoting the product in the Pinterest. This is really nice. If you have any doubts, please let me know in the comments below. I will make sure that I answer all the questions as soon as possible. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet. So meet you all in the next video. Until then, bye and thank you.